Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video of TikTok Shop series, we are going to be covering the topic how to contact and find influencers that are best for your product, and if you hire these influencers to promote your product, so the chances for your product to get more and more sales will be super high. Because as you guys already know that every product is having a specific target audience. For example, if you are selling a beauty product, so the target audience will be females who are basically aging between 15 years to 50 years and are love to do makeup. So basically the target audience varies from product to product, and if you find the exact target audience for your product and find the correct exact influencers who are having the exact type of audience which your product needs, so when these kind of influencers promote your product, so their audience would love to see your product in action, and when they see their favorite influencers are using that product, so they will be willing to purchase that product, and by finding the correct influencers, you can actually get a lot more sales than usual. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step like how you can actually find the creators, how you can actually reach out to your creator, and how to put the filters in that tab to find the exact matchable creator for your particular product, like the gender, the age, the location, the interest, and the audience size. So this video is going to be super important, so I 100% recommend you to watch this video till the end if you want to get more and more sales on your TikTok shop. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing, and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from there I have opened my TikTok Seller Center. So as I've already explained that if you want to get more and more sales on your TikTok shop product, then you must have to put little money into influencer marketing, and to use that money into the right and efficient way, you must need to find the exact influencer which are matching to your product. So in order to find the influencers from your TikTok Seller Central, you need to go to the affiliate marketing tab and then click on find creators. So basically my TikTok shop is a UK shop. So if you are in any other country like USA or Canada, then your interface might be a little changed, and if you can't find this affiliate marketing button at top, so try to find that button in bottom or in left side bar. And when you find that affiliate marketing button, go there, click on find creator, and you will be able to land on this page. So now this is the page where you can actually find some creator which are having the audience that would love to purchase your product, and with the help of these filters, you can actually find out your exact creator, and then you can just message them, talk to them about their prices, their rates, so you can just collab with them so they can get the money and you can get the sales, right? So if I don't put any filter here and if I just scroll down, so I can see some video creator list here, like their profile picture, their profile name, their followers, their average video views, and their video GPM. And if you like this creator, so from the right side you can see this send message button, so you can just click there and you can just start the chat with this creator. So now if we want to find a creator for our product, so we can go above and we can just put out some filters here. So for example, if your product is a baby product and falls in the category of baby, so from the main category, you need to select the category or audience type for your product. So here in this case, the category will be mom and babies, and then babies and maternity. So if you think that your product is regarding fashion, so you can just check all, or if your product is a baby bag or baby blanket, so you can just check baby maternity. So right now, as I'm not having any product, I'm just explaining to you, so I can just check on all. So after selecting your category, you need to go on the second tab and select the follower profile, like how many followers you want for that creator, what must be the follower age, and what must be the follower gender. So basically, if you're a new TikTok seller and you're not having the high budget for the marketing, so I recommend you to go for the creator having moderate level of following, like 10k to 50k will be good. But if you're having a high budget, you can just go for 100k or maybe more, right? So let's just select 10k to 50k and then the follower age. So as you guys already know that this product is for the mothers who are the mothers of baby, so we can just select 24 to 34, or you can actually customize your selection from here, right? So after selecting the age, we have to select the gender, which is very important to define any kind of audience, right? So in that case, female can be the mother but male cannot. So we need to remove males and select only females, right? So in the follower gender, we need to open that drop down menu and click on female. So now at last, before proceeding, from the other tab, we need to check if we want a creator who responds us quickly or who posts frequently or who are reliable with samples, right? So if I want to check all of these, so I will be able to find some more reliable creator. But if you want only creator who don't post frequently, who only quickly respond to you, so you can just select any one of them, right? So after selecting all of those filters, you need to scroll down, and there you will be able to find many of the creator as per your criteria requirement. So here I can see this profile. This looks cool to me as the name of the profile is Mummy Mandy and the followers are 24k, and from this profile I can just understand that this profile is best for my product. So I will be able to find out some more data about that profile, like how many videos they are having. They are having 108 videos. The average video likes are more than 1000. Average video views are around 100k. And if I click on live, audience, demographic and trends, so I will be able to find out some more data about this creator. Like they are having 64% female followers, 35% male followers, and 23% of their followers are aging between 25 to 34 years, right? And if you scroll further down, you will be able to find some more data about that creator, like what are their sample videos, what kind of content they are posting, and if they are good for your product or not. So after putting all of those filters, after finding out 10 to 20 creators, you can just visit their profile one by one and then shortlist 2 or 3 creators which you think that fits best to your product, and if you hire them to promote your product, so their viewer can actually purchase your product because your product seems interesting to them, right? So after finalizing all of those creators, you can just contact them one by one by clicking on the send message, and then in your first message you need to explain them like who are you and what kind of product you are selling. And if you type a beautiful message, you can just take the help of ChatGPT, then they will respond you shortly, and when you'll collab with them, you will be able to get more and more traffic on your TikTok store. So after collaborating with 2 or 3 creators, you will completely understand like how the system works and what is best for you and what is not best for you. So this feature of TikTok Shop is the best feature which you cannot find on any other platform like Amazon, eBay or Shopify. So if you start using that feature from today, so believe me, after spending a very less money, you can actually start getting some more sales, which I think that no other advertising platform can provide you. So right after watching this video, go there, find out some influencers regarding your niche or your category of product and start trying them one by one with less budget. And if you start getting some results, then don't forget to let me know in the comment box below like how this method is working for you, because you don't know that how much motivation your one comment can actually give to some other people who are new to this business and who are actually learning from my videos and your experience. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.